Okay, so I was asked today if there was another easier method to find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple. And there's an algorithm just using successive division. And there's an example here. So pause the video and see if you can see how I arrived at the answer of the highest common factor of 200 and 300 being 100 and the lowest common multiple being 600. Okay, so let's try a different question. Let's use an example of the highest common factor of, let's do a nice one, 75 and 200. So let's use successive division. Well, 2 doesn't go in, 5 does. So you've got 15 and 40. So 5 goes in again. You've got 5, 3, and 8. And we stop because 3 and 8 are co-prime. Okay, so we draw. So our highest common factor is 5 times 5, which is 25, and the lowest common multiple is 25 times 3 times 8. Let's do that. 25 times 3 times 8 is 600. Okay, so let's have a look at another question. Let's do the LCM and HCF of, let's do 250 and 700. Okay, so we can divide by 2 to get 125 and 350. We can divide by 5 to get 25 and 70. Divide by 5 again to get 5 and 14. And 5 and 14 are co-prime, so we stop. Okay, so we've got this is the highest common factor, which is 2 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so 50. And the lowest common multiple is 50 times 5 times 14. So we got 50 times 5 times 14 is 3,500. Okay, so let's have a look at 2 more. Pause the video and see if you can find the HCF and LCM of, let's do 300 and 1,000. Nice easy one. Okay, so hopefully you've done that now. Divided by 250, 500. We can divide by 2 again to get 75 and 250. We can divide by 5 to get 15 and 50. Divide by 5 again to get 3 and 10, and we stop. 3 and 10 are co-prime. Okay, so this is going to be the highest common factor, which is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 times 25 is 100. Then we got lowest common multiple of 100 times 3 times 10. Well, 10 times 100 is 1,000. 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. Okay, so let's have a look at another question. Let's do the highest common factor of, let's do 750 and 1,000. Okay, so let's divide by 2. That gives 375 and 500. We can divide by 5. 375 divided by 5 is 75. We've got 100. We can divide by 5 again to get 15 and 20. Divide by 5 again to get 3 and 4. Okay, so do the highest common factor is 2 times 5 cubed. So we got 2 multiplied by 5 cubed is 250. We've got the lowest common multiple is 250 times 3 times 4 is 3,000. Okay, and we can take a shortcut. We can say 5 divided by 25, and that would arrive at the answer quicker. Okay, so lots of practice with these, and good luck with your maths.